want to change payment method on Crunchyroll? First, you want to open up any web browser, then head over to crunchyroll.com. You can do this on the Crunchyroll app as well. Now make sure to log into your account. Here, click on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, then select Settings. On the left hand side panel, you have the option Payment Info. Go ahead and select that. Here you will find your current payment method. If you want to change that, go ahead and click on the Add Payment Method option. Now, you want to enter the details of your new payment method. Enter the card number, expiration date, security code, then country and postal code. Now click on the Add Card option. Your new payment method will be successfully added. Now, to remove your existing payment method, you need to restart your subscription. For that, either cancel the automatic renewal or wait for the current period to end. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.